Hello, hi, welcome to this brand new video, and I'm super duper excited to share with you an amazing feature, and that is bump up offer. So if you're wondering like what is bump up offer plus a two-step order form. So we've launched this brand new in the sales and finance. I know that some of you are like jumping out of your seat listening to this, but this is going to be one of the most requested and amazing feature to increase your sales. Now let me show you quickly like what a bump up page can do. So if you look at this one version gives you an opportunity where you can enter the name, email ID, phone number. So your customer comes into this page. I'll show you how to embed this on landing page, all of that stuff in this video. So make sure you watch it completely without skipping anything. First, you can have full name, email ID, and phone number. The moment the customer comes here, enters the name, email ID, phone number, they cannot go to the second step without entering the first step. That's the beauty about it. Let's say that this person enters here, like let's write a different email ID here, and I'm going to call this as check. Okay, and then I'm going to write a different phone number, okay, just to show you here. And once I click on next step, I go into the next step where this amazing thing is there. Can you see that? Right now we have submit. This is like the ticket, and we also have an option where people can upgrade. The total is 499 rupees, but the moment somebody clicks on this 1000 rupees is added into this, including GST. You see that, like 847 plus the total subtotal, separate GST, and then the total amount. So it completely gives you multiple ways to do it. And if they untick this, the 1000 rupees is gone. In the sense, imagine you're selling a webinar ticket, you're selling an ebook, you're selling a ticket, and you want to give them some bonuses, a fraction of cost. Now this is the solution that's going to be there. So when you click on this, you'll be able to see here this whole stuff. Can you see that? And you can choose the payment gateway here. You can have multiple gateways you also get here. And now when you click on pay now and register, this will take you directly into the Razorpay, depending on what you've actually chosen. So once you've completed that, you can click on pay now, or you can just click on this and you can get a bump up offer. This is 499, right? So once I exit this, let's say I get a bump up offer here. Now I click on pay now, register, and it automatically loads a 1499 ticket. You see that? And all of this, the best part is somebody fills up this form and they don't complete the transaction. What happens here in transaction is it will capture that payment failed. Okay, let me show you that. So if you check here, Rahul check, can you see that? This is the email ID. I just tried it right now. What's the time? 9 p.m., right? So look at that, 8 p.m., 44 seconds. There was a person who tried this. And the beauty is you can automate the whole stuff. Like you can go and automate this using a lead automation. So first I'm giving you a preview of it, and then I'll show you how you can use this. This is going to be one of the most important videos that you'll ever watch. So when you click on the lead automation here, you can go into workflows. You can create a brand new workflow here. And when you create it, you have an option for failed payments. Okay, so when you click the trigger here, you need to go into sales and finance, and you'll be able to see here as payment failed. Can you see that? And when you fail a payment, for example, which product it is, submit, click on confirm, yes. Now you've already created a complete workflow. Right, so once you've created, I'll show you how to create the bump offer, all of that stuff. But I just want you to note here, once this is done here, you can also add them into a pipeline. You see that? Like you can go to CRM and you can mention that, okay, this person has tried to attend and make a payment. You can create a new pipeline and you can put this particular lead there so that your sales team can know that somebody tried to make a payment and they can give them a call and convert them. Super awesome, right? And you can also do one more thing, is also send an internal notification. Now think about it. The moment somebody tried to make a payment and they were not able to like complete it, so all you will do is you will go here, you will click on internal notification. You can create a WhatsApp message to your sales team, to a particular specific staff, or like assigned staff, or any of them, like literally like specific staff. Let's say you have a salesperson, so you can give it a staff number 2, and now you can create a template that, hey, this person tried to make the payment, but this person was not able to do it. So you can share the name, email ID, and phone number of that particular person. Isn't that powerful? Just think about it. You're running a campaign, people are trying to make the payment, it didn't go through, that triggers here and they can automate it. This is going to be a complete game changer if you know exactly how to implement this whole ecosystem. Now let's understand how to create this particular page. Now first thing, you need to go into sales and finance and create your regular product. So I'm not going to go into the creating a regular product. All you need to do is just click on add product. It's self-explanatory. Once you click on edit, you can enter the name of the summit. Like I've entered like summit. And second is you can either create a subscription, which is monthly, yearly, or it's a one time. So for one time, I'm just going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to price is at 499 rupees. Okay. And now what I will do is I can go and add a bump up offer. So if I delete this, I can go here, click on add. Is it optional? Yes. I'm going to give like a ebook. Okay. So I can say like buy ebook at massive discount or at 90% discount, and I can just add up like 199 rupees for this. And now I can also add one more. You see that I can add one more. I can say, do you want to like upgrade your ticket? Upgrade ticket to front row. Okay, now I can price this at 200 rupees extra. Okay, and I can say this is optional. And now I can also add one more offer if I want to bump up, right? The third one. So I'm going to call this as like get recordings. Okay, and this price will be like 100 rupees. Right now, once I've done with all of this, I can add the image, skip GST form, all of this completed, redirect after the payment. Now go click on submit. The moment I've clicked on submit, I already have this payment link. Now here you can either download a QR code or you can copy a embed form to use this in a landing page, which I'll show you just in a bit, or you can directly use this with the bump up. Click on that. So the moment I click on this, you enter your name here, click on next. Can you see there is three different things that's come up? 499 rupees is the ticket. Now I can go here and I can say that, okay, I want an ebook added. You see that 200 rupees, right? And then I want like get recordings, another 100 rupees without GST is 84. And then I want to use this, I'm going to like add this, or I can skip one of this. And now I can go click on pay the fee. And immediately the exact amount will be created here, 798 rupees, right? You'll see that already here. And the best part is you can also use multiple payment gateways. So when I click on edit, I can also use different payment gateways if you want to give an option there. So let's go to the payment gateways here. So I can use like Stripe, and now I'm going to go click on submit. So when somebody goes into this two-step order form, you click on this, you make a payment, you click on next, you can add up the bonuses here, and then you should be able to see the bump up offer changes. Okay, adding this particular thing. I'll just check it out if it's available. Okay, since I'm using a demo account, I've not connected my payment gateways, but once I connect, all these payment gateways will be active here. So this is about sharing a bump up offer. So now you will not be sharing this link, right? Because it doesn't look that great. It's not very presentable. So what you can do is you can either share this directly or you can just embed this on a landing page. If you're wondering like, how do I do that? Like, how can I embed this? I'm going to show you right away. Click on lead generation, hit on any one of the landing pages. I'm just going to show you one of the landing pages that's here, the template. Let's click on this webinar funnel. Let's go preview this. Okay, once I preview this, you'll be able to see there's an amazing looking landing page. I click on this button, and what happens here is I got a pop-up. Now there's nothing in the pop-up, right? So let's do one thing. Let's add this two-step order form there. Okay, so that somebody makes a payment, they will actually get a two-step order form. Okay, so what you need to do right now is get into the landing page, click on the pop-up button here on the top. Okay, so once you have the pop-up button, so you can delete any forms that's available there. Okay, and now what you can do is you can go here, click on element, click on custom, and you need to like not custom, I think call to action. Yeah. So click on this, go in here, and you can drop in the code. Now, where is the code? You need to go back to sales and finance, and under sales finance, you can see an option like code here. Can you see that? Copy this and you'll see embed product, two-step, copy this. Okay, once you've copied here, now you're ready to go back to your landing page builder and paste this. Click on save and you'll see the two-step order form. So what you can do is you can expand this height of this. Okay, so you can just drag it down. It's as simple as that until that it's available here. Okay, it's still here. So I'll also quickly check on the mobile version, looks fine. I'll check on the tablet version, looks fine. Okay, all good. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to publish this. And now imagine your pop-up form is ready with a beautiful looking landing page. Okay, all you need to do right now is go to your account and then go to your landing page link where you are actually like giving it. You can also embed this directly on the form also. Like if you don't want, you can put it here somewhere, or you just click on this and you'll see the pop-up form. And the best part is this is completely mobile optimized. So even if you're using a mobile phone, it looks like this. Super cool, right? So if you go here, you enter the name. So I'm going to be doing this right now. So I'm going to call this as Ramesh. I'm going to call this as at gmail.com. Okay, and then I'm going to add a number here. Okay, and I'm just going to click on next. See here in the mobile, I have a summit here, I have a subtotal. So I want to like add up this one, I want to like add up this one, and my price is like 7.99. I click on pay fee and register, and it's going to open up the Razorpay link, and you can make the payment directly from here with all the options. Okay, this is exactly how you use a two-step order form directly to get those sales. And if you want to use it directly, you can just like get into the landing page and you can embed that form as well, because multiple times you don't want to use a pop-up, you want to like directly embed that. You can find the right space for that. So if your page is designed in that order, because there are a lot of templates that we are creating where you can make use of this particular feature. So what if you don't want all the text on the right hand side, right? This is a demo account, so I can do anything about changing these steps here. So I'm going to click on update this. Okay, and I need to pull up element. I need to go to call to action, custom, and what I will do here is I will leave this code here, and I'm just going to like paste this, click on save. Okay, so what I'll do, instead of having all these text, I'm just going to delete these text. Okay, look at that. I'm just going to delete all this text. Okay, and I'm going to do is one thing. I'm just going to expand this particular form here, which you can see. Okay, I'll delete the text as well. Okay, and then instead of this, let's just expand the form here. Okay, till it's seen. Perfect, right? This looks amazing. So I'm just going to stop it exactly here. And what I will also do is, yeah, so I can see that, and let's expand a little bit. Perfect. Now I'm going to like publish this. And once I've published, so what happens right now is you don't even need a pop-up, right? It's like somebody comes onto your page, you can actually have your payment link directly here. So somebody lands on this, you have a video telling about what the program is about and other details. And within no time, you'll be able to see this particular form which is available here. And you want to like expand this a little bit, you can always like just kind of custom code this and have this expansion also. Like you click on this, you can see the width of what's your width and what's your height. It's 100%, so you can increase that as you're building the landing pages here. So once this is available here, what you can do is just exit this, enter the name, email ID, phone number, click on next. Again, you can make this payment here. You see that it's completely compatible with any landing page builder that you build within the platform. So once you click on this, the Razorpay link opens up, and this also, let's just go here and click on inspect. Okay, so once you check out this, all the payment options are available in the bottom itself. Okay, you can clearly like see how this works, and once you complete this payment, you'll be able to like check out and start using this as well. So you want to like shift this, you can always like use here, right? So let's go get on with this. Okay, not with this column. Yes, or you can just like go back and just add like 2 rows here, right? Just add 2 rows to this. I'm just showing you in case you have any troubleshooting options, like you're not able to do it for any reason. You feel like, Karthik, can I like really do that and finish it? The answer is yes. You have an option here to expand this to maximum. Okay, you see that? Now this element, if you don't want, you can delete this here. Okay, if you want that element, you keep that and you can just shift your video on the top. Okay, so any of these editing options you can always like test and try, because these are pretty much common that you will face as you're building your landing page. You can just shift this on the top. So now what happened here is all your mobile version and all other stuff is like ready. So you can also like make sure that's in 100%. So once it's in 100%, perfect. So now you can publish this and you have like a perfect payment page. Okay, let me also refresh and show you this. Okay, because these are the use cases sometimes you might be struggling that, okay, my frame is not fine, it's not perfectly fitting the frame. So it's just that about, you just need to learn about how to get your width right? And that's the reason I'm like doing this live, though I'm showing you like the bumper offer, but I want to make sure that I cover all these use cases. Okay, like at any time you're feeling like how do I do this, this is how it is. Look at that. So once you log in here, you have the headline here. which is on the top, and bottom you have the payment picture. So I've completely given the width, right? So you can have this width here. And again, like you can enter your name, email ID, phone number here, complete the payment, and this will directly like take you into the two-step order form. And without any further time, even if you look at right now in the sales and finance, you'll be able to check out the transactions and all the failed transactions. Okay, so when I go into failed transactions here, you should be able to check out this. Can you see that? Like this is the time, like 8:20, right? So it's 2 minutes back we tried this, and it shows all the payment failure that's happening around. Okay, so if you love this feature, I would highly recommend that you go implement right now, and make sure that you leave a comment and leave an emoji if you love this feature. And thanks to all the members who've contributed for this idea, because this is a long due, and especially some of our agencies who've been working with us very closely, and actually like validating the every part of this, giving ideas and a lot of stuff, right? So it's super amazing to have a community to actually support each other. And credits to the whole team for giving the idea, the agencies plus our development team who put in the effort to make this like into reality. So right now, go ahead, make use of it, and add all that bonuses and bump up offers, and create that revenue. Okay, I'm super excited for you. So leave a comment, and right now it's ready. You can go and use all of this. There's a QR code, there's a embed code, there's also a link, and you can use it as simple as what I showed you right now. So watch this video multiple times, and you can implement this. See you in the next video with yet another powerful feature launch very soon.